Hello everyone, welcome to part 12 of 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself by Steve Chandler. Here we are, 12 parts in, and this one is about losing face. Now I feel like he wrote these back to back because he talks a little bit about high school in this one as well, but he's saying if you show somebody like he has this phrase from somebody talking about how show me a guy who's afraid to look bad and I'll show you a guy you can beat every time. And he's basically continuing on this kind of what he was talking about last time in our 11th principle, talking about how we can lose face, how we can not care about what other people are thinking about us. Why should I care? Why should what I do be affected by the thoughts in somebody else's head? It makes no sense to. Now, a lot of people just naturally have this inclination because as people, we're a very social kind of group, like primates particularly are very social. People are very social. They're very close together. They're very have that kind of attitude. And so it's really just kind of diverge from that a little bit and think more about the individual. Think about who you are, what you want to do. Think about more of the Eastern philosophies, Buddhism, Taoism, that kind of stuff that really focus on think about your path, what you're going to do. Come to society and make it a better kind of group by being your best self possible. So forget the ideas that we have to all just conform, work as these cogs, Instead, let's be our best self and let's come together that way. And he really kind of just gets at some of that idea, and that we just don't want to be the sheep here. We don't want to just all kind of be scared and following each other. Instead, we should lead our strong paths. We should have that kind of lifestyle. So we can really learn to lose face, learn that we don't always have to look good in front of other people because who we are is more important. And Dr. Wayne Dyer also has a lot of stuff on this. I really like his work because I've done over 111 videos on it. And a lot of what he says is he's had so much of a life that's been so free of these the thoughts of other people. So he's been so free to not have to deal with what other people are really thinking about him. And that we can all have that kind of principle is really what we're getting at in part 12 here. That's about it for this part. I will see you guys next time with part 13. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.